Hey guys, I want to show you how to make a logo like this, a simple logo. You go to the file, click new, and this is what I have, 2 inches by 3 inches, and that will be in pixels, 900 by 600, and the resolution is 300. I'll call this my logo. Hit the shift key and leave. Click hold Control 0, repeated space, or grab your text tool J. That's what I want. I'll be doing this just to show you quickly how it works. And check the size. Let me use 22. Okay, and I'll quickly match the bolts to fit in. Okay, and let's just expand it. You hold your shift key and you drag to your suitable style, the suitable measurement. We're okay with this for now. Then what I will do is I'm going to duplicate this, duplicate layers. Okay, so you have, so I'll group it with the Control G, and should in case I'll be needing this or after making some mistakes, right click, and I'll rasterize the type first of all, then before I merge the layers to make them one. And secondly, I'll grab the ellipse tool, which makes the circle and other shapes. I'll hold the shift key and drag, and you can see that. Meanwhile, I'll be using the stroke, so I think this is perfectly okay. I think I can reduce this now. Okay, sorry, 2.7. It's okay. Okay, and go back. So let me call this logo or anything. J. So what I will do, I'll grab the polygonal lasso tool, Control U, just click the U hotkey, the U key, and this is what I will do with this. Okay. Need to have something. It's okay. Yeah, then I'll delete. Press the delete, then Control D to deselect. This is looking nice, and I'll pick up the Milky Way wallpaper and place it on top. The target document has the different depths than the so okay. Now meanwhile, I'm gonna take it to the top so that it won't be seen, or you can still reuse this if you choose to. The next thing I will do, you can still merge the layers, or if you want to, or if you don't want to, you can just leave it. Then I'll go to this, the Milky Way. Yeah, I'll right click on it and you click create clipping max, and this is what it does. Yes, the clipping max, you can drag to the area you want to have, and I'll just play with this a little just to make it look more professional and unique. What I'll do is I will group this. There's my logo now. Yeah, then I'll right click, go to blending options. I'll go to bevel and emboss, and this right here, I'm gonna just play with it. We're gonna have something nice. Yeah. And here, soft. It's okay. Just play with it again. The size, yeah. And colors. Let me just play with something like blue. Let's see everything. Okay. Just give it a little shadow. Yeah, and this is what we now have. I'm loving this one. This is very cool. So this is just the simple way I have to make a logo, just a logo like this. I hope you enjoy it, and if there's any video you want me to make for you, you can just drop your comment down below. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye.